Hi, my name is Aiden and today I'm going to be showing you 3 steps to make your YouTube short go viral. Step number 1, make sure it's on a very saturated topic. I don't really have an explanation why this works, but it works for me a lot and all the time. Step number 2, do not make tutorials. Tutorials are normally evergreen content that grows from the search bar, so I don't think many people will really watch a 60-second tutorial on the shorts bar, but it's your channel so you can do what you want. Step number 3, have high click-through rate. When your shorts go viral and your click-through rate goes below 2%, YouTube will stop recommending your short, so it's always good to have a thumbnail on your short. You might be wondering, why would I have a thumbnail on my short when the shorts tab doesn't show thumbnails? Well, the more people that click on your video from recommended, the longer your short can be viral for. So always keep those 3 steps in mind when you're making a short. If you found this video useful, drop a like and subscribe and leave a comment down below of what videos you want to see next. And anyways, goodbye.